Guys, my sister bought me ultra rares Hot Wheels car. She's been giving me a lot of stuff. She gave me trolleys, she gave me a necklace this morning. Now look at this. She gave me ultra rare Hot Wheels cars. And I actually have one of these. It has a D on the top with the skeleton thing, with the skeleton wheels. So I'm super excited that I got 3 more. I thought I would unbox them with you guys. I already asked her if she wanted to join. She said no. But anyways, let's just unbox them. I'm going to save one that she can unbox. I'll think about it if she changes her mind. Oh my gosh. These are, oh my gosh. This is so cool. Okay, that is kind of insane. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Yay! Wait, what did I hit? It just hit my bed. I thought I heard it. It was just out there. First one. Okay. Okay. Let's get on to the second one. Oh, wow. I might actually give my sister this because she has like skeleton stuff in her room, like crystal. And this has like skeleton wheels, and she also has black and gray walls, so that will go extremely well. So I might give that one to her. Yeah, we don't need this anymore. Yay. Bang, bang, bang. I love that. Oh, this is so cool, the detail. Look, if I go like that, look, you can see like the actual suspension. It doesn't actually use suspension, but that's kind of cool. Oh my gosh. This one I might give to her, honestly. She deserves it. She deserves it. She's been going to work. She's been struggling a lot. She's been stressing. So she deserves this. So I'm going to give this card to her. I'm just going to try to... Why can I... Should I just... Oh. That's all I have to do. Well, now it's technically stuck. Bing, bing, ting. Bing, bing, bing. I literally cannot open this. Oh, I got a little snake. I cannot. What? Oh, I got it. Bingo. Oh my. What? This is like the hardest thing. I've never opened a Hot Wheel. Okay, I need somebody to help. I'm gonna... Oh my gosh. Okay, I need help. This is just so dumb. I can't even get it out. I can't even get this out. That is so insane. I can't, Mommy. I know this sounds insane. I'm pro in opening these, but I honestly cannot get it open. Thank you. Golly gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna let you know, it did not want to get open. I'm gonna say. It just did not want to get open. Okay. We finally got it open. Finally. Okay. Bing, bing, bang. Now there we go. I'm going to give this one to my sister because she deserves it. And thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, if you did, smash all the buttons. See you guys next time. Bye.